Hi babes, welcome back to the channel. I'm Taneka. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe to my channel before you leave. And welcome back to another vlog. Oh well, hold on. Y'all, hold on. Alright y'all, so let me zoom out some. Alright, so as you guys can see, I just installed another unit. This is from Icy Hair, y'all. When I tell you the quality, the packaging is top tier. And this hair is so soft. I started out curling the hair with my 1-inch wand barrel, but then I'm like, I don't want the curls to be super tight. I want more of the wave look, so then I switched to the 1 1/4 curl barrel. So we shall see how this is about to look. But anyways, y'all, today is July 4th. So happy 4th, happy Independence Day. We are getting ready to head out to my in-laws for a cookout and then to go see some fireworks later on. Well, this evening, of course, when it gets dark. Oh, let me tell y'all more about the hair. But this is a 20-inch, hold on, is it focus on me? But this is a 20-inch body wave unit. It's a 9x6 M-cap HD lace, and you can wear it glueless, y'all, but I just melted mine down a little bit and it melted really nice. Really nice. So 10 out of 10, I would definitely recommend. Like I told you, I'm gonna order a curly unit for my birthday.
Mommy, can you open it?
You know how to open it. I did cut some layers in the hair, like to help frame it and so it'll flow better. Oh my gosh, am I gonna have to touch it up with my curlers? I feel like I am, because what is this? And why is it? Huh? Yeah, I don't like. Alright, y'all, let me fix this hair because it's too tight. I definitely want the curls to drop. And I'll pick y'all back up in a little bit. I want this more in my face. Like, what's going on? I'll be back. Alright, I guess I'm gonna still come over. Alright. Get my purse for me. Okay,
Got it, did I ever ask you to take me to go shopping in Paris? Feeling overseas and just take me in Gucci. All I ever asked was you to pick up the phone when you alone. All I ever asked was you to show me some love, kisses and hugs. No, I never had an issue. Go to the club, it's your birthday, baby. I never wanted you to stay too long, just wanted you to show me up. So won't you say my name, if you claim you want me, it ain't no that, you acting kinda shady, you ain't been calling me baby, boy, you can go stop playing games, I know you see it hit my line, I'm on your mind and that, you want this bad, so I'm cool with that, I'm just trying to match your words with your actions,
okay,
I need more than satisfaction, did you really feel that?
I know it's not my normal like setup or whatever in the car, but I'm not in my car, so that's why. But I forgot the pan that my sister-in-law wanted to cook the fish in, so I'm out running around going to get that and to get a propane tank for my mom's house. because the places are closed today or have already closed to even get the propane tank filled. So luckily my stepdad had one with some propane in it. So excuse me, I'm about to run by and grab that and then head back over. Sorry y'all shaking a little bit. Y'all shaking like a stripper. But yeah, I have not had any fried croaker in a while, and I'm surely gonna get me a hot fresh piece today. Oh my god, I don't feel like I can drive this big truck. And to think I wanted me like a big like mom SUV type car. But anyways, y'all, I just wanted to hop on and check in. I'm loving this unit, y'all. When I say loving it down, I'm loving it down. It's so good. Like those first 2 wigs that I got from Arabella Hair, I wish I would have ordered from IC Hair. Because now I just feel like I waste. How much I spent on both of those wigs? See, I probably spent about $400 on, about $350, $400 on both of those wigs. Like, I'm so mad. Yeah, y'all, so I'll see y'all back in a few.
The mama don't got some Migos.
Baki. We've never been. You've been in the house with your mama, so the relationship with the daddy kids don't really be the same. It's a lot in there. I won't be mad at all.
Well, it's gonna be out the power, so we definitely leave it.
Oh, well, we ain't gonna be taking that then if y'all got
You can't eat tomorrow. You can't
Don't worry, oh my god, I got.
Climb up.
No, quit acting mean. Be nice. What, baby? Who is it? Hi, babes. Welcome back to another day in the vlog. It is Friday. My hair don't look like it did yesterday. But it's Friday and we are headed to the mall. Last night, me and Navy made an agreement that we would go get some books that he would be able to read like in his downtime or whenever he feels like he's bored. So we're gonna go to Books A Million and we're also gonna go to Build-A-Bear. Nova got a Build-A-Bear gift card for her birthday. We're gonna go take her to use that, and then of course brother wants to do something too. So we're gonna take them to Build-A-Bear after we go to Books A Million, and then I don't know where to after that. This morning, Key brought back Cracker Barrel, so we had Cracker Barrel for breakfast, and then yeah, now we got dressed and we're on our way. That number calling back, you didn't mean to call. You gotta answer now. Like, how you gonna call then not answer the phone when they call you back? But yeah, y'all, so I know I didn't talk to y'all much yesterday. I did just, you know, show y'all little clips and stuff here and there. It was just a lot going on. And just, you know, helping prep the food, fix drinks. It was a lot. And trying to keep cool, because it was hot. It's hot. It's still hot. It's hot today. If it was up to me, I'd be in the house. Because I don't really come out until the sun start going down.
Never.
I still want a coffee. But yeah, so I just wanted to hop on and check in with y'all for the day. And I'll see y'all back when we get to Books A Million and Build-A-Bear. We'll probably go to Starbucks over here, right?
One time I had a refresher or something I actually did like.
Starbucks? I want coffee.
What is this on video? This is orange.
Let's find where your grade level is and see if we can find you some books that are more suitable for you, okay? So we're in Books A Million looking for Navy some books to help keep him occupied.
Little golden books. Oh, I guess all the golden books. That's one.
Yeah, he picked that one up.
Hey, look, man.
You want to try to find another one, Navy?
Look, they got Muhammad Ali, they got Avatar, they got Paw Patrol, the movie, Pokemon.
They got a Pokemon book.
Get both
You
of
can
them,
get
man.
both of them.
Ew, this is spider. Bruh, sweet. Okay. No, the smells into.
Let me see which one Daddy gave you. Bath time for Biscuit. Biscuit goes camping. Who is Biscuit? The best seat in kindergarten. What about this one, Nova? You're gonna be going to kindergarten soon.
Hey, no.
Yeah.
Look, no. No. They got one.
Mama, look.
Hold on, Navy.
Oh, it is a little book in there.
Yeah, it's right here.
Here, you pick one
Where did you find that?
for Navy. Here, Nova, look.
Mom, look. Mom, look.
Hold on, baby. Alright, y'all got y'all books? Come here, Navy. This one, right here. This is what I was saying you could get, like if we're in a car and it's dark, like a book light. You can clamp it to the page. That one, book. Okay. That's gonna be the unicorn. Okay. Look, you like this for the unicorn?
I'm taking money in the US Army.
You like that?
I'm taking it in the US Army.
You take yours to the army, okay. No, that's for a boy. I like this one for your girl. Or this one. This one's pretty too. You like that one?
I want to get one.
Huh?
This is only $5.
Okay, we'll get both. We'll see if we can get both of them. All right, come on. Come on. No, that's enough.
More money than
Yes, Navy.
like this shirt is only $7. Look, no, it's not.
Ain't that a saddle?
It's a dragon.
This is a saddle, ain't it? Like, huh?
It's a dragon. Do you not see that?
Do you have a dragon? Or is that a cat?
That's a dragon.
Oh, okay.
We have more like.
She's gonna stuff it for you. You got a unicorn? Do you put the clothes on it for us?
I usually don't dress them if you guys want me to. If it doesn't get too busy in here, I can dress them. Yeah. You want to do your unicorn first? Yeah. How do you want your unicorn to feel? Do you want it to be more soft, more firm, somewhere kind of in the middle? Somewhere kind of in the middle. Can you hold on to your dragon for me for 1 second, sweetheart? Thank you so much. Awesome. Whenever you're ready, I'm gonna have. Just because when it comes out of here, it gets real warm. Like if you touch the pipe, you want to feel the pipe? It gets real warm just because it comes out so fast. So like the friction of the stuffing makes the pipe warm. So he gets kind of warm. Yeah. Awesome. Can I hold on to your unicorn? So they kind of just go inside. You get to put a heart inside and bring your friends to life. Yeah, give them a heart, kind of like you. So you're gonna take those little hearts you have. You're gonna shake them. You're gonna wake them up. Shake your hearts. Shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it. Oh no! Oh no! We're gonna give our friends nice strong heartbeats. We're gonna go pat, pat, pat. Awesome. We're gonna move on our head. So our friends are super smart. Awesome. On our backs. So our friends have their backs. You want me to hold the clothes for you? You got it? Awesome. On your back. Friends have your back. On your nose. So they know who you are. Awesome. On your heart. So they're full of love. You're gonna hold those hearts real tight in your hands. Close your eyes. Make really big wishes. So we're gonna pop it out. We're gonna put it in there. You're gonna put this heart inside your unicorn. You're gonna put it right inside. Awesome. Perfect. Before I close them, did we want to make either of them smell like anything before I close them? So it's $4.50, will last 4 to 5 years. We have bubblegum, birthday cake, cotton candy, or strawberry. No worries. Close it right for you. Okay.
Yeah, I see.
Have we ever been to Build-A-Bear before?
No, this is both of their first times.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Do you like your unicorn? Yeah. So this right here comes undone. This little piece right here, it pulls apart. Awesome. And then this piece right here pulls apart. This right here.
No.
This right here.
Pull that apart.
It's like Velcro.
Yeah.
Perfect.
Good job.
Perfect. And then we're gonna lay it on her, just like this. And then that goes around her neck. Yep. You got it?
You got it,
Got
boo?
it? Awesome.
Good job.
So it's gonna go, and then that part attaches underneath her little belly. These two pieces. Right here. So it's gonna be this piece right here. You gotta kind of pull them together real hard. Pull, 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 pull. Look, perfect.
Good
Great
job.
job. Now she's ready to go.
Ooh. So, you want to scan yours first?
I want to help you.
Scan it right under there. Right under there, yeah. Hold it up like that.
Okay.
So it can get to the light. Okay, boom.
So I can rip it off?
What do you want to name your friend? What do you want his name to be? Dash?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, push print.
Mom, what's the real name of him? Mom, what's the real name of him? Mom, what's the real name?
Say cheese, no, but look at mommy camera. 1, 2, 3. Well, come here.
It's up to you.
Right here, we gotta pay for it.
I'm gonna cut the tags off for you guys, okay?
Okay.
Can I see your uniform too?
Let her see it so she can take it.
No, I'm gonna give it right back. I
She's not
promise.
taking the
Okay?
tags off.
I'm just taking off the tags. You see? His ear's all clean.
Thank you.
Would you like boxes or bags for either of these bears?
Box.
The box, yeah. What, movie?
But if we throw those away, we're not gonna be able. We're not gonna be able to. We're not gonna be able to. We're not gonna be able to. We're not gonna. We're not gonna be able. We're not gonna be able to carry them.
Yes, you can. Look, you can be able to carry it. It's got a handle at the top.
You can also color them when you get home as well.
See? What?
Here's your uniform.
It's be nice. Oh, birth certificates.
Would you like to put me?
Just these.
What is that?
These are the birth certificates. Yes, can you put them in the boxes, please?
Yeah.
Give. Oh.
I think they said they was there. You seen that before? Hey,
What? Go flip.
I just like that.
You gotta push hard. Now push.
let me get an iced cinnamon dolce.
Thank you.
Appreciate it.
Cheers. Hi, babes. Welcome back to the channel. Where is my headband? other band because, well, I guess I could just use this one. But we are like back home finally, y'all. When I tell you, it is so hot. It has been so hot, and my sister said today was like the hottest day it was supposed to be or whatever this week. But I'm just so happy to be back home, y'all. We were in the mall. I think I told y'all already, but when we were in the mall, y'all, it just seemed like the air was out in the whole mall. It was one store we went into, I think it was the Lacoste store, where it felt fine, like the air seemed to be working. But the other stores and throughout the mall, like the air was not working, couldn't have been working. But y'all, like I said, we're back home, so let's get ready. Well, I already undressed, but I'm just gonna take my makeup off, touch up my hair, and yeah, I'm just gonna touch up my hair. I think I'm gonna put flexi rods on the hair tonight, just because I have an early morning tomorrow and I'm not gonna really have time to like curl it. And yeah, at least if I could just touch up the lace. So this is a glueless unit, y'all, but I just don't know, like, I be wanting my lace to sit like a certain way and whatever. And I touched it up last night, and I guess the heat and stuff, girl, this thing be sliding back. So I'm just gonna touch it up again tonight. That way I don't have to worry about it tomorrow. For the most part, I'm not gonna be like out in the heat too much in the evening tomorrow or throughout the day. Tomorrow evening, we're gonna go to my best friend's house. They're having a cookout and they're gonna do fireworks celebrating the 4th. I have a nail appointment in the morning at 8:30. It was actually scheduled for 10, but I had to move it up because I have a funeral to go to at 10. My mom's oldest sister on her dad's side passed, so her funeral is gonna be tomorrow. So I have that to go to at 10. And then, y'all know, like my boyfriend's cousin and her friend, they're here in town for, you know, the 4th or whatever, celebrating. So I'm not too sure what we're gonna do like after the funeral, like around 1. I'm not gonna go to the gravesite after like the funeral service. I'm just gonna, you know, go on about my way or whatever. But you know, just to be there and support my mom and family and stuff, I'm gonna go to the viewing and the service. So that's really all I have planned, y'all. I'm hoping I'm getting like enough footage because I want the vlog to at least be, you know, a decent length. I'm so happy to be going to get my nails done, y'all, because oh look, the growth is real. And then this sorry, not flicking y'all off, but this broken nail is sending me. So I'm so ready to get this repaired. I'm probably just gonna do this same color again, yeah, because y'all know I'm really simple when it comes to my nails. But just gonna take my jewelry and accessories off. Oh, let me turn my watch off. But yeah, y'all, let me take these earrings off. It's so hot. I'm still kind of hot. Like, it's cool in here, but I'm still like cooling down. We just really did the most today. We did more than I thought we were gonna do. Like, I knew we planned to go to Books A Million and Build-A-Bear. Then the kids wanted to do extra stuff like jump. We rode the train, y'all. We just did the most, and I'm like tired. Ooh, let me take my lashes off. I don't think I'm doing my makeup tomorrow. It's so hot. I'm hot. And I just start off using like a makeup wipe remover to get my makeup off first, because with me using like the Lash Duo on my brows, I found this to be the biggest help to remove the lash glue and the product for my brows. So And then I go in with my micellar water just to make sure all the makeup is removed. And then of course I'm gonna clean. I'm probably gonna exfoliate as well too tonight. So this is like what I do, like to take my makeup off. Makeup wipe remover, micellar water, and then clean. And boom, comes off so easy. That the L'Oreal telescopic mascara, y'all, is so good. Like, inexpensive but good. Very, very good drugstore brand makeup mascara product. Like, I was on that Bad Girl Bang mascara, Bad by Benefit Cosmetics, and it's probably about the same to me, as far as like quality and that kind of stuff. So I'm just gonna do my little nighttime routine, y'all. Remove my makeup, cleansing, and then I'm gonna get in the shower and just refresh for the night and my day tomorrow.
This event tomorrow, so I was thinking about wearing this Zara silky dress. I'm trying to come up with a vision, a little vibe, sneaker and dress combo. I feel like
Good morning, babes. Happy Saturday. It's a new day in the vlog, of course. I'm up this morning. I told y'all yesterday I have to go to a funeral. Right now I'm about to try to grab me a coffee because I didn't eat anything and I want to put something on my stomach. And coffee usually like fills me up a little bit or whatever. I just need a little something to hold me over until I leave, at least. Because I don't want to be sitting there, my stomach rumbling. So I'll probably get like a coffee and maybe like a little pastry or a muffin or something. Hopefully the line isn't too long. No, they look closed. Dang, this coffee place closed. That sucks. I think it's closed. Let's see. Are they open? They're closed until Sunday. But anyways, y'all, I'm about to go by my sister's house. She probably still asleep because she's not answering the phone. which I hope she isn't, because I knew she wasn't gonna be up. But I'll see y'all back in a little bit.
What can I get started for you?
Can I get a grande latte with 5 scoops of vanilla bean powder?
Okay, anything else for you?
Could I also have a ham and cheese croissant?
Anything else for you?
That'll be it.
All right, and that latte is hot, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, 11:13.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Okay. You're welcome. Okay, thank you. Thank you. This is pretty good. My boyfriend told me what he normally gets when he comes, so that's what I ordered. Because since the fall, I've only been, well, I was only liking like the it was a pumpkin chai latte, and it was another drink that I think that was it. Ever since, like, I haven't found a drink that I really like, so I hadn't been getting anything. But this one, he just orders like a vanilla bean latte, and then, as y'all heard me, order like 5 pumps of vanilla bean powder. And it's so good, y'all. Hi, babe. So it's much later in the evening. I came home undressed completely.
Oh,
And me and Nova laid down. She took a nap, and I was just laying here chilling. We're up now. I've gotten redressed. As you can tell, I got on something totally different. We're going to be outside, so I wanted to be comfortable. And I didn't want to have to worry about my lace or whatever up here, so I just popped a hat on. And I just got on my black Nike tights and my Birkenstock dupes that I got from Target a couple months ago. So
bye.
I'm going to carry my red Gucci purse just to pop in some red because the kids and I are wearing like black and red.
Peace.
And yeah, let me see. Do I got everything?
Mommy.
Yeah, I don't think we're going to need the fans since they got those.
That's what I was just thinking, but I'm going to put mine on my wristlet anyway.
Just in case. Okay. Alright, so
That's okay.
let's go, y'all.
Bye. Peace. I can't wait to go play with the water balloon.
Yeah, it's water.
Oh.